Hello everyone, this is my project Enterprise AI. Thanks to TCS Infra in Season 4 for providing this opportunity to establish our ideas before the prints. The video presentation has been uploaded in the YouTube and the codes have been uploaded in the GitHub for our future references. Briefing out the problem statement. Bringing out growth and enhancement in the business sector with the knowledge we have in the subject Artificial Intelligence. For this, we have used Python, Streamlit, Flask and many other libraries along with the HTML and CSS for the web page development. Edge devices cannot handle highly coded architecture, so this project is fed with simple algorithm SSD and the best architecture mobile end for the better approach. To speak about the data set, this is a self-prepared data set which includes the time in the form of year, month and week and the names of the dishes sold at a higher price for predicting the values in the future. For the better performance of the code, the suggested hardware description is required. The scope of the camera and placement of the camera is essential for the better angle of view and prediction. With less costing external devices, this project can be run. A brief note on the solution is that the inclusion of the dataset made with the records and the live footage acquired from the camera is taken and fed to the computer where we can process code, and with the help of ML code, we can bring out the accuracy and presentation toward the user. Mathematical statics have been handled for better accuracy and prediction. Pictographic description and the features of the project is given below. Viewing the contents of the dashboard and the page containing the code. How do we differ? To answer this question, I think this is a new idea in the market and people counting may be used for discovering the heat map to check the highly discovered crowded areas in the mall and the public places. For the purpose of checking and check out overcrowding in the lift and safety precautions in hotel. But we have forecasting and viewing the sales of the popular dishes and prices for the upcoming years, that too in accordance with weekly and monthly propagations. Due to the differing opinion of the people, the live counting of the people is also taken. The profit of the restaurant mostly pertains to the resource management and planning, so this might be one helping the owners in that aspect. Predicting the future is not too easy, but with this we can be done. Let's view the live demo for the project. So, Enterprise AI business analysis of the restaurant's profit produces output in the form of graphs for the easy viewing purpose of the user. The graph contains the price of the dishes sold in the aspect of year-wise. The colored lines represents the food which have been marked with the colors at the right side corner. Month-wise, and the lines that are being given separately predicts the price of the food in the future. We can see the plates sold hiking up and lowering down year-wise. The bar graph represents the amount or the profit received weekly or monthly. The user is also provided with some additional graphs predicted from the data set provided, which might be useful for him in our aspect of view. The heat map shows the hotspot restaurants nearby his restaurant. Talking about the tools bar, it provides several other features for the use of the consumer. By specifying the model, he is able to train his data for predicting the output required. The threshold value is of the consumer's choice. There may be several cameras in the restaurant, By specifying the URL or the number of ascendants, he can view each camera. For the demo purpose, we have already ensured the code with a video link. With that, we can see the demo of the webcam. Now, you can view the screen with the customer sitting in a restaurant along with the waiters. We have also introduced a threshold value which eliminates the count of the waiters in the hotel by not affecting the predicted values. The below shown table is the price predicted for the upcoming week. This is predicted by both the live counting and the data set. The values which are being shown in this dashboard can be controlled by the user by specifying the scheduler value so that he will be in ease of using this. This is the code page viewing. The Streamlit allows us to view the web page in the allotted URL. Talking about the mail, when the threshold value 10 gets deviated, the user will be intimated through his mail that his hotel is overcrowded. The log value is for storing the output in a CSV file, and the thread is used for multi-computing purpose. The highlighted portion is the main code. Thank you.